In today's video, I will teach you how to turn images into a Y2K style portrait using AI. Let's get started. The early 2000s aesthetic, glossy finishes, neon lighting, sparkly textures, and dreamy airbrushed looks is back in full force. With AI tools with photo or AI artifacts, you can turn any photo into a nostalgic Y2K style portrait in just a few clicks. Start by opening your browser and go to Photo or AI Artifacts. This tool works directly in your browser, so no downloads are needed. Once the page loads, click the Upload Image button in the center of the screen. Then choose the photo that you want to transform. Then wait for it to load completely. For best results, choose a clear photo with good lighting and a visible face. After uploading, look at the left panel where the style options are located. Now scroll through the list of categories, then go to the Universal section and select the Y2K effect. And Photor will automatically apply the Y2K filter to your photo, giving it a soft, sparkly, futuristic 2000s look. Once the effect is applied, click the Compare button at the bottom right. This lets you see the before and after preview of the transformation. And if you're not happy with the result, you can regenerate it. To do this, click the Regenerate button on the thumbnail of the effect. And each regeneration takes about 10 seconds, and you can regenerate as many times as needed until the photo matches the look that you want. And if you plan to use this effect often, hover over the effect thumbnail. Then click the star icon to add it to your favorites. And you can find all saved styles in the Favorites section for easy access later. And once satisfied, click the Download button to save the final photo to your device. And here are some beginner tips for best results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.